Ay. Oh my gosh, my face is so dry. Wait lang guys. Kev, may memory card ba to? Ay, nako. Hindi ko alam kung nagre-record. Guys, get ready. Oh, no. Ano ko malalaman kung nagre-record? Live record. Okay. Panis. Yan, get ready tayo, guys, ha? Whoa, it's kind of too near, ain't it? Naka-noise cancel. Ayan. Oh, hindi naman maingay yung mic, guys. Yan, naka-live ulit ako sa Holy Land Venus Live version 2. Okay lang po. Collagen. Kuya Ben! Sakto! Oh, hindi hard sell. Hindi ako nag-e-eme. Daily dose yarn. I'm using CosRX. Yun. Magaan lang, light lang. Ano ba yan? Baka naman naked collagen. Baka naman! Sakto, paubos na! Kuya Ben, ba't ka ulit na ban dito? Hindi, pero kailangan i-support si Kuya Benedict. Mahal ang gatas. Wala pa naman siyang dede. Hindi! Sabi mo yan, Kuya Benedict, ha? Pero literally, maubos ko yun na yung 2 box after ko mag-repurchase. Ay, sorry. Grabe yung dry, ano ka? Sa ref? Naban siya dahil sa ref? Mukha kang girl. Mukha ba akong girl? Well, what can I do? We're Homo sapiens. Lang guys, ha? Kuya Benedict nag-live tas naban eh. Sobrang puti ko. Hindi oh. Sucks lang. Maputi ako for a guy. Pero meron pa naman mas maputi sa akin. Sama ka bukas. March toward forever. Ano yun? Ano naman yun? March toward? Ano yun? Now, prep skin. My favorite. Shake muna. Paubos na. Yan. Legit. Oh, legit ginagamit ko. Huwag Ano daw? Ano masasabi ko? Masasabi mo kay chef. Anong masasabi ko? Sana all. Yan lang masasabi ko. Ha? Na-restrict yung live ko? May alcohol daw? Setting spray. May illegal substance daw yung live ko. Wait, mag-end live ako. Ano to? Live restricted for some audience. Your video contains theme that some may find uncomfortable and has been restricted. Reason, alcohol, tobacco, and... Ha? Paano mag-appeal nito? Pag-restrict lang. Alcohol pa sa... Bakit ko naman mag-relive po? Sige po. Mag-relive ako guys. Balik kayo, please. Strict. Sobrang ewan talaga to si, Tok minsan. Na-restrict ako. Ako yung nauna. Pag-restrict warning, ano mangyayari? Ano naman tong TikTok na to? Like, it's not end of the world, but it's kinda annoying. Like, not kinda, like, it's very annoying. Hello? Diba? Ang weird. Wala naman akong ginawa. Nag-setting spray ako. I literally said, this is setting spray. You know, like, live is meant for content. So if you're not gonna make content creators be contenting online, then how is live necessary? Ano yan? Talaga mga AI challenge lang kami? Maningil lang kami ng gift? Ano ba? So I'm using Amuse Foundation. Foundation! TikTok! Foundation! Hindi alcohol! Hirap gumawa ng content, oh! Ano siya, very hydrating siya. Ooh. Ooh. Oh my gosh, I dropped it. Okay. Guys, I have a shoot, so I have to TikTok. Kaya nga eh. I have a shoot. I have a podcast. So, very light lang, guys. I don't know if you guys can see it. I'm using spatula. Oh, wag daw kayo mag-spam. How are you? Hindi naka-focus camera. Bakit kaya? O nga no. Sorry. Feeling ko kasi mabagal din yung internet ko ngayon eh. I don't know why my internet has been so slow ever since. Dati hindi naman siya ganyan eh. Feeling ko kailangan ko na palitan yung router ko. Did you guys know, like every 2 years ata, or every 3 years, you can change your PLDT router for free? Kuya Jinho, parents pala ano daw? Hi Kuya Jinho, parents pala kayo ng nanay ko. Anong parents? Hotdog na lang, B. Shade match 100. Really? Guys, I always put like a shade brighter on my face because I oxidize. My skin oxidizes, and also we live in a tropical country. So, pag pinapawisan ako, parang my face tend to turn darker dahil sa face oil throughout the day. So, this is what I do. Ayan, guys, I have an official group chat. So, if you guys want to join group chat, you guys can, ayan, ask her. Oh, my hair's so sticky. Okay. I don't want too thick. Gusto ko manipis lang. Meron akong podcast, guys. Sa mga nagtatanong, ano ganap ko ngayon? May podcast shoot po ako ng 4 p.m. Ano yan? Anong ano po? Pakikompletuhin ng sentence. Ito po, sponge. Bakehil. Foundation name, Amuse. Pero this is for dry skins. Tas yung hindi mahilig mag-makeup, I think this is nice. Very watery siya. So, you guys can see. Parang wala, di ba? I know, you guys can still see my discoloration, a little bit peeking through, a little bit of redness. Hello, Carla. Thank you for the pandesal. May pandesal dito? Wait lang, SS ko. Sana in-SS mo bago hindi na lang nag-type, di ba? Hi, Dennis! How are you? Sana imbis na mag-type ka ng ano, wait, mag-SS ako. Sana naman, nag-SS ka na lang, di ba? Nakita kita sa concert. True! Nagulat ako nung concert ni Taeyang. Lumabas kami bigla sa LED screen. Buti na mukhaan mo ako. Pa-shout out pa. Hello! Guys, don't forget to tap and share the live. I don't know. My friends told me, someone advised me na sabihin mo lagi sa live mo, i-share yung live. Di ko alam kung saan nyo i-share. Pero share. Kunin ko lang. Ayan, parang hindi ko lang kung umunti yung viewers ko dahil sa restrict kanina. Nag-relive ako, guys, kasi sabi ng TikTok meron daw illegal substance, parang hindi illegal. Ano yun? Parang may substance daw sa live ko. So this is one of my secret and favorite techniques to use nowadays. I'll only share it to you guys. Try nyo to sa mga medyo may luwag-luwag na budget dyan, try nyo, okay? But I don't know. So this is a tech. But I don't know. So this is a technique I salat. So this is a white foundation. Like, look, I'll show you guys. Well, hindi naman siya pure white, pero tignan mo. Super bright siya. I'm only gonna use this much. Super puti niya. Do you guys see it? Now, what they do. And this is for people who don't need like concealers and everything. So what they do is instead of contouring their faces, what I saw, they blend it like small brush. Kilala niyo yung sino yung nanay ko po dito sa TikTok. Nanay mo nga sa totoong buhay, di ko kilala, dito pa kayo sa TikTok. Yan mo na kung mag-spam. So what they do, di ba? Look, I'll show you guys. Parang medyo bright. So, ang puti niya. Like, if you guys see, super puti niya. I put it here. Day. Then, I'll do half. It's almost like concealer, but this is actually a foundation. Ayan o, ganun o. And this is actually universal. You can use it on dark skins too. Kasi magbo-blend siya Ayan o. So, hindi ko alam kung makikita nyo. Ayan, pag pinatay yung ilaw. Hindi halata sa camera dahil sa ilaw. Basta nag-brighten yung dito. It's almost like highlighting the high zones of your face. Hello. Ang puti ni Kuya. Puti ba ako? Hey. Hello. Daming foreigner. Hayop means cute. Yes, you are hayop. Ang hirap lang i-blend gamit ng malaking sponge. Dapat yung ganito lang. At kung masaya... Natural contour. Yes, that's what it is. Let me lessen the light, ha? Hinaan ko lang yung ilaw. Hindi talaga, maputi lang talaga pala ako. I'm doing everything. Like, sobrang dilim na ng kwarto ko. Bahala na. Parang plato kasi yung mukha. And then, of course, I put here. Hindi siya masyadong halata sa camera. Feeling ko dahil sa TikTok, file compress, tas may filter, ganun siguro. Hindi ko nga alam kung naka-filter. Ayan, ganyan lang. Parang reverse contour. Is that what they call it? I don't know. So, Pogi, shout out mo baby po, Aviani. Ay, wala akong, hindi ako mag-shout out. Bahala kayo sa brain niya. Your skin is so very light. Really? You know, as I get older, my skin's getting lighter. Look what I treated myself. This is the controversial YSL blush. Do you guys know this blush? You're so very light, I like it. Oh, thank you. I feel like there's nothing wrong with Moreno skins to. I love tan. Feeling ko ano lang, nagmana lang talaga kay mama. San lakad? May shoot po! Do you guys... Now... Okay. Let me do the brows real quick. We're gonna use these three to do my brows. This one's from Wake Make. This one is from Sunny's Face. Naka-focus ba? I'm using the shade Ash Brown. Thank you for answering. It's Real John. Guys, thank you sa mga sa mga nagsasagot ng mga tanong ng ibang tao para sa akin. Thank you, guys. Let's not be mean, okay? Let's be patient. Let's be friendly. Hindi ko kaya. So, first, I brush my brow. Para lang, siya... Kala mo dami-daming brow. Okay, nag-shave ako ng brow recently dito. Tapos, I get the pencil. Hindi ko alam kung makikita nyo. Okay, come closer. Ayan. Is it too close? Okay. Yes, it's not expensive to be kind. Yes. Let's be patient, guys. Okay? If they have questions, let's just answer them. And if they're asking bad questions, let's mute them or warn them, okay? Tell them that it's not right. Pero pag tinuloy pa rin, hindi mo. Ayan. I just fill up. You know what's amazing about this pencil? Pag sa kamay mo ginagamit, pag sa kamay mo ginaganyan, walang lumalabas. I don't know why. Pero pag eyebrows, meron. Pero hindi siya yung sobrang pigmented, kaya gusto ko. Room for less mistakes. Yan, and then I will... Noted here. How old are you? No, I'm not old. Why do... Alam mo kanina, nung nag-live kami ni Chef, ang daming nagtatanong na, tanong mo kung ilang taon si Chef, tanong mo kung ilang taon si Chef. I honestly have nothing against, asking someone's age, pero parang, pag ayaw sagutin ng isang tao, bakit mo pipilitin? Gets niyo ba? It was kinda uncomfortable. Wala namang masama, oo. People tend to tolerate other people's feelings by saying, wala naman masama. Parang, oo nga, wala namang masama. Pero kung uncomfortable yung kabila or nakakapagramdam ka na ayaw nila sagutin or for some reason, baka din lang nila nakikita yung message, parang wag mo na pilitin. Diba? Do you guys agree? Agree, Bells? Diba? We tend to, I don't know why we feel like some people are like, validate my feelings, pero hindi sila marunong mag-validate ng feelings ng iba. Like, it's not about right or wrong. It's not about mali or tama, masama or mabait. Pag uncomfortable sila sa tanong mo, Huwag mo nang tanungin. Huwag mo nang pilitin. Hindi ko nga alam ano edad niya ni chef. Right? Fan account lang ba to? Fan account? Anong fan account? Fan account? Kung hindi rin lang ikaw ang dahilan, pipilitin ba ang puso ko? Yan. Let it dry. Let it dry. Sakit. Sakit pa rin yung nakagat ka last time, Lovely. Okay. Galing magkilay. You know what the key is to kill? Drawing good kilay is less is better. Less is better. And always start ka dito sa dulo, wag dito. That's the biggest tip I can give. I'm not an expert. I think because my skin is very dry situation, so I'm gonna use more cream products today along with my cream blush. 10-minute makeup challenge, I cannot! Feel ko masisira yung skin ko pag nag 10-minute ano ako. Pero parang kaya ko naman. Hi Morish! Long time no see! Natitilt yung camera ko. What's your eyebrow pencil? It's Wake Make. Wake Mate. In the shade Stone. Number 1 Stone. Shade Stone. Hindi nyo rin malalaman pag pinakita ko kasi naka-Korean. It's a Korean brand. Hello, Jinho. Hello! Hello, Ferd. Sir Ferd. Ano nga sa'yo? Okay. Umakit. Umangat yung table ko. Okay. Sorry for the messy background. We've been like going in and out of this room kaninang umaga pa dahil may sineset up kami na podcast. And that is why I'm getting ready. Okay, so with contour, we're gonna use the Method, you know. This one. So we're gonna use the darker shade because usually pag wala akong ganap, wala akong shoot, ito yung ginagamit ko, yung mas light. Pero dahil may podcast ako ngayon, and there's like harsh light that will wash out the makeup, kailangan medyo halata. Okay? So I don't start in the nose area, like I draw letter C, like that. God. You can see this? Mods, mag-add lang po ako. Kuya, do you like any local makeup product? Yes, I love EC. I love Get Ready With Me brow products. I love ABCD brow gel. Sunnies! Oh! Lumipad ang aking Sunnies. Mamaya ko ang kunin. Some of your messages can't be read by Kuya Jinho because, oh my God, you need to be a moderator, my dear. Thank you. Wait, how do I make you a moderator? Can I make you a moderator too? You can't? I can't add more than 30. Oh, okay. Okay, I'll remove some moderators. Kasi may mga iba na hindi na active eh. Balik ka na lang, pwede. Thank you for following. Oh, opo guys, pag nakaganon po ako, ibig sabihin, di ko mabasa yung ano nyo, mga comment nyo. Okay? Gagi, di ko na blend. And then you blend. I blend it like this. Do you guys see the blend? It's like medyo gray siya. I haven't found like a really good contour product dito sa local. Because everything has a little bit red undertone to it and a little bit warm. As a cool tone person, parang hanap ko is yung talagang walang like yellowishness or orange or red. That's why ang pinakabagay pa rin sa akin mga Korean products. Pero if other things work for you, good. I tried Lucky Beauty, I tried Get Ready With Me, contour products. I tried Issey powder once. No. It looks so red on me. Hi, Kuya Joma. Yes! I'm gonna... Yeah. Bigla nagsibuhayan yung mga moderators. So, magtanggal ako ibang moderators. I'm so sorry. 30 na pala moderators ko. Parang hindi halata. Parang tig-4 or 5 lang. Di ko alam kung pogi o maganda. I don't mind. I don't mind. If that's your indirect question, way of asking if I'm straight or gay, I mean, whatever you want me to be, I'll be there for you. Sobrang landi gago. Anyways, Kuya, may problem sa GC. Ano meron? Dami kong problema. Pati GC. Dami kong problema. Mag-mod search contest ka, mala starstruck. You look like Chrissy. Ang layo ko kay Chrissy. Chrissy's my friend though. So, oh my god, I'm so excited to try this. YSL blush. Ugh, so expensive. So, this blush was an issue. It's in shade 69. Uy, legit ha? It's in shade 69. Mabait kasi si Jinho, hindi madamot. Ano daw? Perfect ang shade. Hindi ako mahilig dun. Okay, so this was controversial in the Western community because look at the shade. It's lilac. Hindi daw inclusive or pero I'll show you guys why I bought this. Actually, first time ko rin matry sa mukha ko. Natatakot ako. 1, 2. Okay. One side muna. Tatakot ako. Wait, do I use sponge? Wait. Bago mag-set. Okay. Oh, it looks so nice on my skin. Do you guys see it or do you guys don't see it? Okay, let me bring you guys closer. Anong maganda sa Holy Land Live Venus version 2? Do you guys not see it? Okay. Maybe because I put too little. So this is with and this is without. Hi Clark! Thank you! Sa ilaw ba yan or sa mata ko na? Ang pale ni Kuya. Ma-pale talaga ako, guys. My face is way lighter than my... Wait, I don't know if you guys can see this with or without. With and without, okay? Let's try this side. I'll show you guys, huh? Okay. Am I in frame? Okay. 1, 2. Ano daw? Squid Game with 30 mods. Kuya Jomar. 10 timbar dagulan ko pa nga lang. Hindi ko nga mabuo. Opa, mamaya ka mag-get ready with me. Buksan mo pinto. Message mo si Keb! Andito ka na ba? Keb! Wait lang. Okay. Patapos na ako. Do you guys see? Yeah, I'm a cool undertone. Tapos medyo maputi shade ko, that's why. I like it. I'm gonna add a little more, okay? Yes, it's powdery pink. It's kind of lavender pink. I'll use finger para mas pigmented. Kasi pag sponge, hinihigop niya yung product eh. So, baka nababawasan. Mas maganda siguro pag daliri. Ang gusto ko dito, long lasting eh. Like, I tried swatching it in the YSL store yesterday. Hindi ko matanggal with makeup remover. So that's what I need sometimes, you know. Not all the time, but sometimes. And I usually put a little bit on my forehead here para lang balance tong highlight zone dito. Ganon. Pero yeah. Okay. YSL Make Me Blush Liquid Blush in shade 69. And I am gonna use highlighter, Milky Moon, Glint highlighter in a shade Milky Moon. Yes. And I'm so lazy to even use a brush, so I'll just go in with my ring finger. I use ring finger because it's the finger with the least pressure daw. So, ayan, yan yan. You guys want to see? Close up. Okay. Ganun. Diba? Ito yung gamitin nyo panglagay. Thank you, Clark. Galaxy. Kuya Jomar, Galaxy. Ay, hindi. Joke lang. Baka mamay papagalitan ako. Grabe yung 4K yung price. Yung liquid blush, no, it's 3.2. Pero, did you see how little I used? Well, yeah, it's a luxury. It's a privilege. It's a luxury. I don't recommend, guys. If you guys find good alternatives, go. Pero I've been wanting this shade. They have the similar one. Nauna yung Giorgio Armani. I've been wanting it for a long time. Eh, wala eh. Laging sold out. Kahit nung nasa Singapore pa ako. So, yan. I put a little bit here. Thank you, Clark. Kapag maluwag. Hindi. Kuya Jomar, sorry. Sorry. Joke lang yun. Hindi mabiro. Kasi baka mamaya maano ko si Kuya Jomar. May ano pa naman yan. Kaka-recover pa naman yan. Sorry po, Kuya Jomar. No pressure. I didn't mean it. Okay. Like, do you guys see? Here, and I put here. Not here. Diba? Here, here, and then blend it like this together with the finger na walang highlighter. You don't need fancy brushes. I just use brushes because I hate getting makeups on my fingers, to be honest, okay? Okay, and now we're gonna go in with this. We're gonna brighten the T-zone here. Not T-zone. Ano tawag dito? What's your skin type? I have dry. That's why I have to prep well. I'm gonna put a little bit here. Inner cheeks kasi malapad yung mukha ko. So I don't use highlighter here because it makes my face look bigger. I put here. Pag ngumiti ako, ito parang plastic. Dito, sa may bandang loob. So this entire is my cheeks. I don't put it here, I put it here. Inner cheeks. Para dito yung magbo-brighten. Para mukhang sa illusion, parang mukhang maliit yung mukha mo. And then, pag mahaba yung baba mo, kagaya ko, itaas mo onti yung highlighter dito. Kunwari, dito natatapos yung baba mo, di ba? Pero kung mahaba yung baba mo, kagaya sa akin, itaas mo yung highlighter. Pero kung wala kang baba at gusto mo magkaroon ng baba or panga, dito mo ilagay, medyo sa bandang dulo. So, I put a little bit up here. Yan. You can barely see it in the camera, pero sa totoong buhay, mahalata yan. And then, wala lang, para lang may pakita ko. Minsan I put here. Pag gusto ko parang pak na pak yung pakak. Yung Yup. Okay. Anong go? Saan? Kalami kisan sa lips. Uy. I'm gonna do lips. Hints. Cool tone. I'm so sorry. My warm tone morenos and morenas, you guys can't relate for sure. Yeah. Pero look ko. This is very hydrating. So what I hit. Ito parang lip color ko lang eh. Ala, ang dami. Wait lang, I put too much. Hirap pala maglagay ng lippy, ng madaldal ka. Pero ma-wash out yan mamaya. Then, Clio. I put it in the inner. Inner? Nakikita? Sakit ang sugat ko. Okay na. Setting spray. Easy! Kita mo na ba? Have you dated a Filipina before? Secret. Yan, tapos na. Finish! Mag-end live na ako, guys. Andyan na yung mga guests ko eh. Kumakatok na pala sa aking pintuan. Muling maghahanap ang makakausap. Ito na naman ako. Nakikinig sa mga kwento mong paulit-ulit lang. Kung ako na lang sana ang iyong minahal. Bye-bye! Thank you, mods. Wala, Ali. Tanggal na akong mods. Di kayo active. 30 na pala kayo eh. Bye-bye. Paano mag-end live ulit dito sa machine?